Hey guys, Philipp from Pink Tassel here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to arrange a bouquet of flowers in these little bottles for a table. As you can see, I already prepared everything. I have little bottles filled up with water, I have some fresh cut flowers and a white branch that I'm gonna use in my arrangement. I'm gonna start my project from taking a little bit of bare grass and putting them on the bottom of the bottles to make it look a little bit more interesting. Perfect, our bottle has some grass in it, and now I'm gonna take this white branch and gonna place it on top of the bottle arrangement. The branch is in place, so I can start putting flowers. Our flower arrangement is ready. I really like the result. I think it gives me a little bit of spring and gentle, fragile vibe. I would recommend to assemble this arrangement already on a table because it's very hard to transport. If you like this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave some comments below, and as always, craftfully yours, Philipp from Pink Tassel.